Good morning over here. You?
Yeah.
Oh. It is day 2 in Florida. We are in the world's famous, what is it?
Beach.
We're at the world's most famous beach.
Daytona Beach.
Daytona Beach. My baby got on her sexy swimsuit. She's about to go in the water swim. But yeah, I'm gonna go in there first. We're here, we're gonna have some fun, play in the ocean, walk around and see what there is to offer here in Daytona Beach.
We're gonna go surfing, guys.
You're gonna go surfing?
Yeah.
All right, if we find a surfing one, I'm gonna have you get on it then.
Just kidding. Seashells.
We're stepping into the ocean right now. How's the sand feeling?
Good.
Good?
It's a little cold. Walk really far out.
Are you gonna collect seashells?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, guys, I got my Crocs on. It's an essential for me.
Hear me?
Huh? So the water feels pretty good out here.
It feels so good, guys.
Are you scared to get taken down by the waves?
It is crazy.
Look at those people over there.
We're so
They're like
far.
all the way over there. It's not that deep.
I can't swim, guys.
Me neither, but it's fun. Baby. Wanna play that? Go!
It feels really good out here.
Does, huh?
Yeah. Go deeper?
Go all the way over there? How far? Or I'll follow you. Is this deep enough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
How deep can we go? So nice here. Dip down.
Huh?
Dip down.
Dip down. Oh my god! Oh, that was deep. That was deep.
Ready to go back? Not yet. Alright, we're gonna continue having fun here in the water. Hopefully we don't get knocked down. What up? I think we just got done with the ocean for now. I think we spent a good what, hour, 2 hours in
2
there?
hours there, yeah.
I think we had. They were good with the ocean. Now we're just gonna walk the pier and see what cool stuff we find. See if we get some stuff for the family or
So
not.
I did those. We did them. We did them ourselves.
But yeah.
And I still have them, but I don't use them.
How you feeling?
I'm actually pretty exhausted.
I just.
The sun is kind of killing me, guys.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, the sun is pretty beaming, but
I think except for that.
we got our sunscreens. We're pretty good. See what the boardwalk has to offer. Get on it?
No.
No! That's not bad. Alright, let's go get our ticket.
No.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. No. Why don't you go forward?
Yeah, fuck that.
No. Getting
Guys, I am tired.
exhausted.
This heat is making me so tired.
I know. We're just walking now. I think we got done shopping.
Gonna find something to eat and then maybe relax on the beach again.
Yeah, but
Heat is hurting.
the heat just got more intense. Yeah.
There's like legit no cloud. Yesterday was cloudy and it felt fine, but today there's no clouds and the freaking sun is beaming.
I know. It's way too hot. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can find something to eat and then head back to the beach. And are you gonna get in the water again or no?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Kind of want to just relax under an umbrella or something.
Yeah.
But we'll see what we do. Hopefully we find something good to eat because I'm starving.
Yeah.
All right. See how good Abby is at Fruit Ninja, okay? Come on, you got this in your iPad. Oh! Get them all! Here, I'll help. go get you a price. That concludes our day at the beach. It was a lot of fun. Was it fun, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's tired. I'm tired. It's freaking hot. My steering wheel's hot. This whole car is hot. Heading home. 2-hour ride back home. And yeah, we'll see if we do anything. If we do, I'll vlog it. If not, this kind of signs us off for day 3. But it was a lot of fun here at Daytona Beach.